Guys, have fun. At the year with you at the years. Husband and wife right now, marriage just a crash. You know what they crash the marriage? Wife go do body, you know tell husband say they go do body. Now the wife they say don't tell the husband, she say, babe, I would like to do my body. The husband say, no, you no go do your body. I like you like that. But the wife they explain to her, say, babe, please. It's for my own good. I need to get myself confidence. See my belly, see my this. The man know the forthcoming. You know understand? She got the written say that based on say the money. That make the man know they really they align with her. She can go now, save money, come do it by herself. Cause see the sexy body now. Cause said the man say, I've done it too. Man, the para. Baba, my own opinion. It is wrong, say the husband. You know understand? No give am go ahead to do am. It dey very wrong, say she go do am without the husband consent. She for convince the husband more. You know understand? But my own thing I want tell men now be say, no be mess up if your woman want do body, baba support her, make she do body. You and I know say our agbola dey stand, our eye dey raise up when we see girls with curvy body. Bro, marriage no get time frame. As far as that woman don't born finish for you, you don't give your 2 children, your 3 children where you want. If she won't do her body, let her do her body. Don't be say she go use and go to jump now for her own self-confidence so that she can stand in front of the mirror and see that curve and be happy. I know they tell you, man, she go now. This is why they talk say she suck belly based on say she don't born belly, don't pla. Don't be like come to swear born. Hello. So now she say okay, make she go remove her. Then your guy begin the para. I'm not supporting her for doing that without the husband consent, but I'm just telling the fellow men because I know say you were the watch this video now. Your wife they tell you. Now husband and wife matter they talk. Your wife they tell you say she won't go do body. You can't feel as far as if you get the money, run am, baba, run am. Make your wife look good. Anything when you know say you feel give your wife to make your wife look like those people what would they admire for outside, we give her make she look like that. Let her be sexy for you, bro. Now they make marriage the sweet. You can just do like this, your wife will just pass. Baba Gola go raise. That kind of thing, you go dey proud. You go use your wife they do screensaver. You know understand? How can you be admiring girls where do body and you don't want me your girl do body? Your wife do body. It don't make any sense. Let her get that curve. Bring the curve home. You don't understand me? Anywhere she go feel wear crop top, she go feel wear short thing. You go dey sexy. It not be sexy to go to expose body. Sexy for you. So that you know quick tire. You know there's a kuntus the tire person. You know, there's a woman, they tell sometimes head go, you're full. You go, I bet this woman, you're there, you go there, I beg. You'll be like, say, you're tired, you. But if she dey on point, she's sexy, fine, beautiful, she could enter your eye. Even if you want to look outside, it go reduce because you know, say, what you get for inside, you go be machine. And woman say for outside, go be the respect you because you go know, say, your woman, they okay.